Okay, this is station number 3. This is about sound waves, and there's some information here. We're only going to talk about one thing. We're going to talk about these 3 tuning forks. They each generate a unique frequency. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what the notes are, but I'm going to give you the frequency of each one. There's a small one, a medium one, and a large one. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate this in a minute. But I'm going to write down the frequencies first. Okay, so the frequency of the small one is 480. The frequency of the middle one is 384. Instead of writing this 4 times or 3 times, I'm just going to say the frequency is in hertz. Okay, and then the large one is 288. Those are all in hertz. Okay, now what you need to do is describe the sound in terms of its pitch. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take the small one and I'm going to hold it up to the camera and the microphone, and you can listen to the pitch, and then we're going to go to the middle one and then the high one. Okay, and you describe the pitch. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's the small one. And you know the frequencies. Okay, here we go. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Now you've listed the 3 frequencies. Describe their pitches, their relative pitches, okay? And then compare it to the frequencies. What do you find? Okay? Okay, we're gonna do 2 activities here really quickly. This is also station 3. We're gonna look at resonance boxes in just a second, but I'm gonna do something else first. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this really large tuning fork, okay? And I'm gonna hit it on this block, and then I'm going to stick it into the water. And what I wanna show you is that this long tuning fork has a frequency of 288. Okay, so that means hertz. So that means it vibrates at 288 cycles per second. That's very, very fast vibration, okay? And so this musical note, it vibrates so fast that when I dip it into the water, what you're gonna see is you're gonna just see, all those vibrations sort of visualized in the water. Okay, so I wanna show you that. So here we go. You see that? Interesting, huh? So you notice very high vibration rate, right? Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Well, that's what we're gonna do with these resonance boxes. I'm gonna vibrate the tuning fork here. It's gonna cause the resonance box to vibrate and resonate, and you're gonna hear a bigger sound, a higher amplitude sound. This is like a guitar, where I pluck a string and the guitar body, the wooden body, resonates and causes the volume of the guitar to be louder. Okay, that's why we have wooden bodies on violins and all these wood instruments, okay? So it amplifies the sound of the string, okay? And also makes it nicer, I think, too. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna hit this. This is gonna resonate. The sound waves are gonna pass from here into through this opening into this other box. This is gonna resonate, and this tuning fork on the top is actually gonna vibrate. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this first, get this vibrating or resonating, and then I'm gonna pick this up and we're gonna listen for the sound that's been generated in this box by waves passing from here into here. Okay, so let's get ready and let's try it. See if it works. Here we go. Ready? Now you hear the resonance. You notice how loud it is. It's much louder than the tuning fork, and that's because of the box. Now it should have passed into this other box. So let's find out. Oh, I can hear it. Definitely. It's still resonating, even now. Okay? You notice it resonates for a long time. In fact, I can still hear it resonating. Okay? Okay, now if I hit this, I dampen it. Okay, and it's gone away. Okay? Okay.